The gearbox is the heart of wind turbine. It must transmit wind power smoothly and reliably over the long term. As turbines grow larger, the challenges rise sharply of loads and operating on the gearbox. We have delivered a series of targeted breakthroughs in our design, such as high-purity customized materials, fully self-developed sliding bearings, and deep co-design with the complete turbine system. For typical failure modes such as tooth breakage and oil leakage, we introduce dedicated optimizations, ensuring reliability even under extreme operating conditions. Our testing is exceptionally rigorous, with extreme load testing lasting 3 times longer than IEC requirements. On both test benches and in operating wind farms, every gearbox is running to its limits, so that before delivery, its reliability is fully validated. In the field, Envision gearboxes achieve an equivalent lifetime of more than 25 years. Since 2018, Envision has invested continuously in gearbox R&D and manufacturing. We are the only wind turbine OEM in China with fully in-house gearbox development and production. Our products span both onshore and offshore platforms and are certified by DNV, TV, CGC, and other international authorities. Until now, Envision ranks number 2 in China for gearbox shipments. And in September 2025, we celebrated the rollout of our 10,000th gearbox. This is not only a number. It reflects 6 years of disciplined engineering progress and our confidence in long-term reliability worldwide.